All right, here we go. It says simplify, and both these are pretty important, but really the second one, you've already seen the first one a few times, but the second one is going to be something to really cue into and kind of own down the road. So we've got the first one, e to the 2 times the natural log of x power, and so that 2 times the natural log, remember that 2 is going to jump over here to the x as a squared, so let's rewrite that. This is e to the natural log of x squared. Remember what the base of a natural log is? It's e. And so if we have e to the log of e, this is back one lesson, 2 lessons ago. Yeah, the last lesson. So back in 5.5, we learned that, hey, if you have the base and then that exponent, it has that same base, that really all you're worried about is just the of. And so our answer here is going to be just x squared. All that simplifies down to x squared. Here on the second one, we've got this plus in the exponent. And so take a moment and think about, when would I add exponents, and realize it's when I multiply the bases together. And so if I had, for example, x squared times x to the 4th, I'm going to add these exponents together, right? It'll be x to the 6th, because this is x squared times x to the 4th, giving me 6 x's multiplied together. And that's what's going on here in this problem. So it's just looking at it from kind of moving backwards on it. So this is 10 to the 1st times 10, the same base, times 10 to the 2 log base 10 of x power. So that's the first step, is realizing that this is these two bases, these two terms being multiplied together. So let's continue simplifying. Now that 2, we don't want that. That's going to jump out to our x, giving us 10 to the 1st power, which is just 10, times 10 to the log base 10. Well, there's that again, same base in both the base and in the exponent, of x squared. So this whole part really just drops out. This turns into x squared, and so we have 10 times x squared, and that's our answer, 10x squared. All right, hope that helps.